is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And it's time for another episode of...
Chocolate break.
Yeah. Well, here we are again.
Yep.
It's been a while, almost a year. What's happened?
Sure.
The last episode we recorded was in July of last year.
Wow.
Yeah. We've been thinking about doing the show, but our interest in your wants and needs have been very low on our list of priorities as of late. So, what with the COVID fun and the homeschooling and the walking and countless other
reasons and things,
such, we've decided to hunker down and not do the show for you. But now we will do the show for you. Yes.
Yep.
Well,
let's do the show.
Allow me to present Kit. And you have chocolate.
I do. I'm going to put a towel down.
Do we usually do that?
We do.
Well, then by all means, a towel for the chocolate. In the green spot.
Twix.
Twix.
Cookies and cream.
Oh my god. Well.
I don't think it sounds very good, but I guess we'll see.
I don't know. I just remember all those goddamn Kit Kats were just...
I think maybe that's why I feel like it doesn't sound very good.
It looks like a turd. It looks like a very symmetrical turd. Linnea. Beautifully decadent bowel movement. Oh, I missed that.
Would you?
Thank you. Let our home audience look. The amazement. And again, chin chin.
Chin chin.
That's interesting. I didn't expect that there was actually going to be cookies, cream, and caramel in that. I didn't think there was going to be caramel going on too.
Is there caramel?
Oh yeah, that's all that slurry. It's adding to my salivation. I feel a bolus forming in more of a slippery way.
I didn't get caramel. I got the cookie crunch, and then what they would usually use as the caramel stuff was just like that cream. I didn't think there was any caramel in there.
Well, it was definitely gooey.
Yeah, but I don't think it was caramel.
It had the consistency to me of caramel. Score.
3.
Give it a 2.5. Well, yeah, maybe a 3. It's not bad. It's better than I expected. But it's that carnauba wax heavy chocolate that's like you put it in your mouth and you already feel like you're dirty.
Yeah.
Before you even chewed it. You know, you pick it up, you feel like, oh god, I need to wash.
It's slippery.
Yeah.
It's
It's the wax.
the wax.
Well, I shall bring forth something to behold.
What?
Kit Kat Dwas. What is this, mocha?
Mocha and chocolate.
Isn't mocha kind of chocolate already?
No. Not just chocolate.
It's like coffee. It's chocolate and coffee. So this is going to be like a coffee crisp Kit Kat. If we were so lucky. I don't think it's going to be like that. I think this is going to be... I don't know. I shouldn't pass judgment on the thing I haven't tried yet, but with past experience, it's just been kind of a shit show. And this one, I already feel like
mocha junk on the top, it looks like, and then just like a layer of chocolate on the bottom.
Yeah, it feels funny. Would you do the honors? I've decided to abstain from using the weapon.
Definitely smells of coffee.
You're not going to use the blade? Ah, the blade. There you go. Scintillating. But yeah, look at that. It's like one side's light, one side's dark. I guess that's the duo.
Duh.
Well, here's the central portion of it. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
If you could use one word to explain how you feel about this one, what would you use?
Burnt.
Drudgery. This is like a chocolate or a confection you endure. It's not like, oh, that was really good. It's like you eat it and it's like, oh, there's more. Huh. Okay. I'm giving that
the whole thing that seems like burnt to me, like the coffee
Yeah.
seems like burnt coffee, but chocolate maybe adds to that burnt kind of flavor. I don't know.
And then there's that kind of malt, kind of intrinsic malt thing that.
It's got that bit of throat hit.
Yeah. I'm gonna give that a 1.
I'll agree with that.
Yeah. Yeah, you will. Thank you. What? You're agreeing with me.
Because I want to, because that's how I feel. No, you will. Yeah. Better be careful.
That's okay.
I'm
It's
cooking
all
your
right.
dinner, so you better be careful.
I'm a lucky man. I am a truly lucky man. Feeling lucky?
I don't know, are you?
No. Do you feel like a lucky lady?
Trying to catch a fly?
Well, I hope you've all enjoyed this first episode of The Chocolate Break, possibly the last of Season 2, The Next Generation. Check your local listings for the next episode, where we will be enjoying the beautiful, beautiful event known as Easter. Go on about your day. Think about us. Relish in your new lives. Goodbye.
Bye.